Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WhatsApp chat history to a new iPhone with iCloud, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your WhatsApp chat history to a new iPhone using iCloud, follow these steps. First, ensure that both your old and new iPhones are connected to Wi-Fi. On your old iPhone, open the WhatsApp application. Go to the Settings tab located in the bottom right corner. Tap on Chats to access chat settings. Select Chat Backup from the menu. Here, you will see the option to backup now. Tap on Backup Now to create a fresh backup of your chats to iCloud. Make sure your iCloud account is properly set up and that you have enough storage space for the backup. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once the backup is finished, turn on your new iPhone. Follow the setup instructions until you reach the app and data screen. Choose the option to restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with the same Apple ID that you used on your old iPhone. Select the most recent backup from the list that appears. The restoration process will begin, which may take some time. Once your new iPhone is set up, open WhatsApp. Verify your phone number when prompted. After the verification, you'll see a prompt to restore your chat history from iCloud. Tap on Restore Chat History to start the restoration process. Wait for WhatsApp to download your chat history. Once complete, you can start using WhatsApp on your new iPhone with all your previous chats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.